So I'm recording. Are you recording?
I don't know how to record.
Okay, I'm recording. I don't know how to stop it.
Welcome to 5 Minutes of Fabulous. I am JP.
And I am Meow Tracy.
You look amazing.
You know I love my cats. I love Charles, my ginger cat, my ginger tabby, and Raven, my gorgeous black cat. And so they're both rescued from the Pickering Animal Shelter. I don't know if this is new, but it's new to our house. It's called the Fur Fetcher. So you don't want to do it too rough because you don't want to get to the skin, but it gets all the undercoat. And it's amazing. Your cat will have groomed himself or herself, and then you would have brushed your cat and combed your cat, and then you take the Fur Fetcher, and then it's like full of fur. Like, no, it's amazing. So anybody with a pet out there, and change of season always brings shedding, and then you get all the under fur with the Fur Fetcher. Well, I was in the pet aisle of my local big box store, and I found something for me. It's mane and tail Hoof Maker hand and nail therapy. So you can use it on your animal, but let me tell you, I've been putting it on my hands, and it's amazing and soft, because why would I put something on my animal that I couldn't use myself, right?
Very, very smart.
And this is a good price point, and I like the fact that I can use it on my animals, and I can use it on me.
I love it. I love when you talk about cats. So I want to share the foundation that I've been using, which is the Double Wear Foundation from Este Lauder, and it is a stay-in-place makeup. It's just lasts all day, gives you full coverage. It's fantastic. One thing that I discovered was they have this advanced night repair, the newest reformulation. What I discovered is if you take your Double Wear Foundation and you put some on your hand, this is an advanced night repair. It's a multi-recovery complex product, and basically it will hydrate your skin for the gods. If you add a few drops of this to your foundation, it will add a little bit more hydration, and it turns into more of a veil of a cover, almost like a CC cream, but it's got a really nice consistency. And I've been seeing a lot of makeup artists in New York and in Paris doing this, and you can see it's just like a nice veil of product. It's just something I discovered and I wanted to share, a little hack.
So you can do it full coverage when you need that, and maybe, like you said, in the warmer months when you just kind of want your skin, but only better.
Speaking of a feline, fabulous woman, I want to talk about Lady Gaga for a moment. Lady Gaga has created a line called Haus Laboratories, which I am obsessed with. Haus Laboratories, they have eyeshadows, they've got liners, and today I brought with me Haus Laboratories.
Wow.
And this one is called Le Riot Gloss Ultra Shine Lip Gloss. Look at the color. It's just gorgeous. They also have one called All Over Liquid Shimmer Powder. It's like a powder, and it's stunning. The pigments are ridiculous. So she's been using all of these. Look at this color. It's green. This Haus Laboratories RIP lip pencil. It is just fabulous. Like the color. It is high quality, it holds well, the colors are vibrant, it's cost effective, and I just wanted to share it with you and the world.
Lady Gaga!
It's Lady Gaga!
Love the Gaga. We had Lady Gaga, we had the Fur Fetcher. I think Lady Gaga would be happy to be in the company of the Fur Fetcher for some reason.
I think she's gonna love it.
I don't want to speak for her, but I think she would love that. All right, for 5 minutes.
5 minutes of fabulous.